Okay, so today's topic is about an annotating an image using openCV. What do you mean by the annotating? Annotating is nothing but that adding of information to your demos. Like you have multiple images, text you wanted to display, and you wanted to show or highlight that particular information or some things on image. Then you can highlight it by using some line, rectangle, circle. So likewise, you can highlight it, and that is nothing but your annotating of image. Okay, so drawing a bounding boxes around an object in case of object detection, highlighting of pixels with the different colors for the image segmentation. So we are going to see that how we are annotating these images using an openCV. That we are using an openCV libraries for performing such this kind of operations. Drawing a line. Now we are drawing a line in the image wherever we wanted to highlight that image. Means if image is of a face, you wanted to highlight an eyes, you wanted to highlight some nose, so you are going to highlight it with some line, rectangle, circle, or some other shapes, which whatever you want. Okay, so here we are drawing a line, we are highlighting something by through a line. So here how we are drawing that line on that particular image, that using an openCV with your pixel array. We can draw the line using the function line function in the openCV. Even we have a syntax of line, that is line and your image, a start point, end point, color and thickness. So first argument is nothing but the image. Second is about your start point of your line, that is x and y coordinate, from where it is starting. Then end point, that is where your line is end, so with the x and y coordinate, see. And you're displaying the thickness of that line. Okay, so likewise you're going to draw the line on that image. Here the code is given for the drawing and line. Image line, image dot copy. So you are copying that image what on which you wanted to perform the operation. So draw the image from point A to B. You are defining some x and y coordinate for this line drawing, means from where you wanted to draw, from which coordinates, and where you wanted to end. So these are the two coordinates. And this CV2 is nothing but your object of your openCV library, and this is a line which is a function you are accessing. So this you are accessing with your point A start point, point B end point, and these are the thickness, these are the pixels of your image. You're showing after applying this line to your image, you're showing that image, then image will be look like this. Okay, so likewise you can apply the line, as well as you can draw the circle, as well as you can draw some rectangle or any kind of um, image or shape on that particular image. Okay, so draw circle, even you can draw the circle using this syntax. Okay, circle, image, center coordinate, radius, color and thickness, same way as you drawn as a line. Here is the code for this, that you need to draw that particular circle on this image. So you are defining the center of the circle here with this object. You are defining the radius of the that circle, means how the diameter of that particular, how much diameter of that particular circle is. And then you are applying that radius and center of this circle in this circle syntax. Okay, so you are taking an image, then image, and you are taking a center object which you have already defined here. Then you are going to take this radius and pixels, color pixels, means this is red green blue pixels image, red green blue color of the pixel, and these are the thickness. Okay, so what kind of line type is that, you can display mention here, and then display your image, that would be look like this. Is it okay? So this is what about drawing of image like a circle on the any kind of image. You are mentioning that annotating of that image with the circle. then your feeling of circle, you can able to also feel the circle. Okay, so whenever you wanted to feel of the circle, you are mentioning it with here only that thickness. Suppose your thickness is -1, then it will get darkened, because whenever you are getting the thickness is below 0, uh, it will show the darkening of that color. Means it is your background image is not visible, or it is not the transparent. So only the difference is that you are mentioning here the thickness of this particular image. Then you can draw the rectangle. Even you can, you have this particular rectangle syntax for drawing that rectangle on any kind of image. Here also you have start point, end point, and thickness. Similarly, you can define start point, end point, and in the rectangular syntax, or in this rectangular syntax, you mention the image which you wanted to access, then start point, end point, color pixel, and your thickness. Adding of the text. So this is the second point, that you can also add the text in the given image. Okay, so even annotating of image is not only to draw the shapes, but also you can add some text wherever it necessary. Okay, so how you are going to add that text? By using this put a text syntax. So this put text syntax is a syntax from also the openCV library. You can access it, and through the image you can write the text is that origin, then font color, font scale, and color. So as usual, the first argument is your input image, next argument is your actual text string that we wanted to annotate the image with, and third argument which specify the start location for the top left corner of your text string, and next two arguments specify the font line and scale, these two arguments. Okay, so opencv which support the several font face style from the Hershey font collection and italic font as well. So here you have this uh, Hershey font collection, font Hershey of simplex 0, plain 1, duplex 2, complex 3, triplex 4, complex small 5. So it will display the font and color for font for that given text. Okay, so now we'll see these things in the code, how you are going to apply the these things in the code. Okay, so you can see in this code, same way that you are going to read the image from the drive, you can mount it from your drive, or you can directly take or access it from your drive. So you're, you can check here, you can mount it. You can take any foreground asset, you can take copy this path, then you can display. Okay, so this thing I think it will continue in the next video, because time is over. I will continue this code in the next video. Thank you.